Hello, Miss. Good morning. How are you today? My name is Claudio Hanjhian from class Technical Engineering 28. I want to tell you about my planning on next holiday. First, I want to meet my big family, friend without any distance, exchange stories, love. I want to travel without restriction. Want to do activities as usual. Now my life is very irregular. Online class make me feel so bored and I need very much money to buy some water. Face to face via social media is not fun. I want to meet in person, work on a segment together to make me more relaxed doing it. And I want to work for money to buy Vespa motor. And I used to go campus to make it easier because my house is far from my campus. Vespa motor is my dream. And when this pandemic is over, I will work hard to get it. I won't go to Mount Merbabu in Central Java cause I like climbing mountain. Seeing nature is so beautiful, make my mind calm. Beautiful scenery and cool natural atmosphere, and I also made friend making me want to go again and again to mountain that I have never been to see and enjoy new and of course beautiful scenery. If this pandemic over, I want to buy more climbing equipment, safe and comfortable, namely mountain shoes, mountain jacket, sleeping bag, double layer tent, mountain bag that are more comfortable and big for preferring when the hiking and mountain trail have reopened. I want to go vacation to the beach with my family. See the waves so calm and eat together by the beach, drink fresh coconut water, and take photo. Then my future plan become a scholar, apply for job, working hard to get money for my family, buy a new house for my new family later. I hope this pandemic is over. There are no more fatalities affected by the coronavirus. Keep your distance, wash your hands, stay at home so that this pandemic is over. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you. Stay safe all. Bye.